Hello, I'm Corey Norris, Quality Manager here at LOWRANCE Machine located in Houston, Texas. We are a family-owned machine shop founded in 1964. We have been providing machining services in the North Houston area for over 56 years. Our services include CNC machining, manual machining, surface grinding, and sinker EDM. We believe in building strong relationships with our customers and seek to maximize the use of our employees' skills, knowledge, and time. LOWRANCE Machine has been using Blaser coolant for 20 years. A high-quality, reliable coolant, Blaser also has top-of-the-line customer service. Enough talk, let's go see the shop.